Gant Maurer, our beef extension specialist, is here now. Gant, you and the team are getting ready for a bit of a road trip. Why don't you tell us what's going on?
Yeah, we are. Our beef extension group here in the Animal Science Department is putting together an animal science road trip for Southwest Oklahoma. So myself and Marty New, our area livestock specialist, has spent a lot of time on putting a tour together so we can go visit ranches in that part of the state.
And there's some diversity among the operations that you chose. Tell us what folks will be exposed to.
Yep, absolutely. So we're actually going to house, if you will, Lyndall, out of Lawton, and from there we'll move north of Lawton into the Elgin Fletcher area, and we're going to go see the Blue Cattle Company, MCS Cattle Company, and the Glover Cattle Company on one day. And keep in mind, these are three fairly progressive operations, both purebred and commercial operations, and we're going to spend some quality time there. We're not just going to get off the bus and see some animals. We want to be able to visit with those producers, talk about ideas amongst producers, and visit and see what they have going on.
And it sounds like the way it's structured, it's an afternoon and then the next morning, a day total with an overnight. What's that day two look like?
Yep. So on day two, we're going to start out about 9 a.m. We're going to head south down by Chattanooga and Frederick to the Coyote Hills Ranch. And we're also going to go to the Collins Cattle operation, which is a club calf operation as well.
Right. Why is it important to have conversations like this and get together kind of away from a meeting space where that work is actually going on?
Yeah, absolutely. I think in extension sometimes we get into those meetings and it's hard to really present ideas to their full scale. And there's some producers that are adopting these progressive ideas and implementing on their ranch and showing how they've been successful over the years. And mind you, some of these ranches have been around for many years and been successful for many years. And we have a lot of new producers in the state, and in economic downtimes, we need to get those ideas and be as productive as possible. And
share that information with folks who can use it. Tell us when it is and what the cost is.
So we're actually we're gonna be based out of Lawton in the Apache Casino Hotel. So we're gonna leave the hotel at about 12:30 on May 31st, and we'll go tour north of Lawton. We're gonna come back to the hotel for a reception and again some more one-on-one time to visit with those producers, and then we'll leave the hotel again on June 1st at about 9 a.m. To wrap up the second day's activities. So there is a minimal cost involved, and that cost is just going to cover the vans to get everybody to the ranches, and then do contact the Apache Casino Hotel to book your own room. We're not going to be responsible for that, so we ask producers to be able to do that. And the registration is online, which I think we'll put on the SunUp website.
Terrific. Gant, thanks a lot. And for more information on the road trip, go to sunup.okstate.edu.